Hi guys! Today we're going to unbox this package. These are from Xiaomi shop. Oh, there's a lot of plastic bags from China. First item, Xiaomi gel pen. Let's open the first item. It has 10 pieces of gel pens. Let's try it, guys. Okay, let's move to our second item. Second item, Mi Wi-Fi range extender. Let's open it, guys. The box includes a manual and the Wi-Fi extender itself. No other item included on the box. Look how small the Wi-Fi extender is. It has 2 antennas and applicable to most routers. So excited to put it on our workstation. And this is my favorite item. The Mi 360 degrees home security camera to K. It also works with OK, Google, and Alexa. This security camera has a super clear 2K image quality and up-to-date AI. My favorite feature is, it supports two-way audio, so I can chat with my family anytime. The box includes reading manual, power cable, accessories, and of course, the security camera. Look how cute it is. Love it. Oh, there's one more item left in the box. It's the Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mini. Let's open it. The box includes Type-C charging cable, service nozzle, brush nozzle, and of course, the main unit. Look how small and handy it is. Perfect for Shiro.